Do your best to relax the neck. You're going to bend this top knee. Relax your shoulder back. There it goes. Very good. So now we're going to do some muscle scraping. This is like a deep, deep tissue massage. It's going to get in there, break up knots, adhesions, muscle stiffness. If you have like old injuries, it breaks up some scar tissue. And even if you have bad posture over time, that develops scar tissue. So we really want to get in there and break it all up. If you get headaches, this is really good for headaches. Headaches from these areas and back here. That's where they come from. But you got a big old knot right there.
Mm-hmm.
Get down here. Okay. Heated head is on, so we're going to turn this on and give you a nice hot massage. So that head gets really hot, so it'll really help loosen you up. Okay? So we get the low back here. Low back. And then we'll go down to the glutes. Tender here?
Yeah, they're prickly.
Yeah? Okay. Let's get that side, and then now we'll get this side. Do your best to relax the neck. Good job.
Ah!
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How's that?
Just didn't see it. I just did not expect it. So that's great. It felt great.
Good. And then on your side, face me this way, please.
This way?
Yes, please. Okay. You're going to bend this top knee. And then just relax your shoulder back. There it goes. Good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, same thing on the side. There you go. There. Make this straight. Relax that shoulder back for me. Very good. So first I'm going to stretch your neck out.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to do a little tug adjustment. So it's going to decompress and adjust you. You feeling okay?
Mm-hmm.
There it goes. There you go. Get up. How was that?
That's great.
Good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Deep breath in. Let it all out. Good. Let's get this. That one's okay. That one's okay too. Okay. So now we're going to do the QL muscles for her low back pain. That's nice and red. There you go.